guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today I'm gonna continue Zara try on haul. Before I start, I can quickly mention Chanel and Balmain tweed. Let's get started. Let's start with Chanel. I'm gonna show you the tweed and other style from Chanel store. I love the tweed jacket and the pink skirt mannequin is wearing. The front tweed jacket, I love the mixed color. Love the white dress. See the texture? And this pink tweed. Love the pink trimming detail. I see a lot of lemon color and pink color for this season. I would love to get this pink cardigan with a navy trimming. White, lemon, and mixed color tweed. The white tweed coat. Love the eyelet trimming of the cuff. How about Balmain? So I tried some tweed clothes from Balmain. Oh my god, this dress, the white trimming and the color. You know, Balmain tweed jacket is much cheaper than Chanel, but good quality. This is pink sleeveless tweed dress. I love the color. This dress kind of same color, but it's not tweed, but I love this button detail. So I tried it on all. This season, Zara made so many tweed style, which is textured weave style like blazer, jacket, or dress. So this dress is tweed style, as you can see. It has white, black, red, and there's a frill on the neckline and frayed hem at the end. And I like this contrast puff sleeve. Next one is also tweed style jacket with short sleeve and metal button. It's like Barbie pink color. So I got this with skirt as a set, but I'm not gonna wear as a set. Tweed style skirt. So this is button texture skirt. I'm gonna pretty much match with casual t-shirts. The button has all different raised detail. I love this metal button. Like gold tone, perfectly match with pink. Woman face t-shirt. This gonna be perfectly matching with pink tweed style skirt. So there's one more tweed style structured vest, black color, and at the back elastic hem. Perfect with light jean, white jean. And I got this pastel tone pink t-shirt to match with jean and jacket I got. Now let's move on to knit clothes. First one is multicolor striped knit top, short sleeve, round neck. It's like crochet button. So cute, right? All the pastel tone color, so cute. 60% cotton, 40% polyester. Spaghetti string, embroidered fruit rib top, fruit patterns. So there was a very similar one, but I almost could get that on. I a little bit regret because spaghetti strap is not easy to wear. You need to think about how to wear. Main fabric is cotton. Embellishment, these are acrylic. So this season, really cute pink color is the theme pretty much in all the brands. So this one is raincoat, water repellent material. So you can really wear this on rainy day. Fabric is 100% polyester.
next one is same as like this style, like contrasting neckline like this. So this is from Sandro. This one is very similar as you can see. Yeah, Sandro has so many this kind of style. The material is 50% polyester, 50% cotton. Okay, next one is a cardigan. I love this lemon color and the jewel button, elbow length sleeve. Yeah, so I gotta match with jean. Now let's move on to print clothes. So I will show you dress and then top. First one is crop print top. You can match with like white jean, so any jean gonna match well. At the front there is knot, side hidden inseam zip close here. You can open when you wear it. So I got some print dress. This is a printed dress with belt. I love this belt color. This one is sleeveless, V-neck, and the red belt matches with some print here, red print, and it's a midi length. Different print, very bold. I love this orange all the way, the sleeve. Love this pattern. And matching belt is like scarf. So beautiful. So this season in Zara, there are so many tweed style crop jacket, and the color theme was like pastel tone, lemon, blue, pink, and lots of plaid pattern. Similar tweed style like Chanel. BALMAIN style double breast wool blazer. Hope you enjoyed my video. Next time I go to Bottega Veneta haul. See you soon!